Hi, my name's Nikki. This is Nikki J Design. I wanted to come on today to just give you a little bit of background about me, why I wanted to start a YouTube channel and the sort of things that were going through my head at the time. Over a very long period of time, I'm talking 2 or 3 years, before I actually decided, and I'm still a little bit unsure, as to what I'm going to do and what it is I wanted to achieve. I have been toying with the idea of having a YouTube channel, and I thought that somebody of my age, currently being 50, had plenty of things to be able to talk to people about that would help them with whatever they were dealing with, whichever subjects I chose to talk about in the area of expertise. I do apologise, my dogs have just gone and hit the tripod in which the camera is standing. Girls, please stop fighting. Puppy cocker spaniels, I must be mad. But then that's a different story altogether. I wanted to create a YouTube channel basically so that I could pass on things to individuals. I mean, obviously I've done that with my daughters, as I did, or what my mother did and my father did to me when I was younger. I don't think that this day and age that actually happens now in the same way that it did then, is my opinion. The idea I had was to be able to talk to people about various things, and everything I looked up on YouTube, because I did a hell of a lot of research with regards to where I wanted to go, what I wanted to do, the tech stuff that I needed to learn to be able to do this. I mean, I wouldn't class myself as being technophobic, but I did need to be able to learn how to do various things, because there is nowhere that shows you how to do these things. Hi Winnie, how are you? Say hello to everybody. Say hi. Say hello. Are you gonna go down? I'm gonna go down. I know you love me. I know. Oh no, we've got the other one that wants to get in on the act as well. Oh dear. Tilly. Ah. Tilly. Say hi. Say hi. Right, jump down. Jump. Jump. Good girl. This one. Jump. Good girl. No. Mummy's busy. Oh. Go on. Winnie, go. No. Stop. Tilly, I can't see. Can I see? Tilly, get off the plant. Tilly. That's it, just fight with your sister. Right, jump down. Right. Jump down. You don't want Mummy's glasses. Jump down. No, you don't want Mummy's glasses. That's why you moved them so you can't get hold of them. Right. Are you going to go outside and play? Yeah? Yeah? Are you going to go sleep? No, I don't. I'm licking to death. I'm not dirty. Come on. Look, now the plant's trying to attack me. Oh, they said never work with animals. Are you going to go jump down? Are you going to jump down? What's that? Somebody's coming. What? Go, jump down. Jump! Come on. Jump down. Jump. Stop being nosy out the window. Oh. Yes. You're both as bad as each other now. Stop. No. Stop. Get down. Get down. Go outside and play. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go find it. Oh. Winnie. Are you going to go find your ball? Mm. Stop competing for my affection. Tilly, get off the plant. Go on, jump down. You're gonna go down. Stop. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Winnie, Tilly, stop. Don't want washing. Don't want washing. You're going to get down. You can go play with your ball. Yeah? Yeah? No, I don't want washing. Come on, down you get. Who's that? Go see. Go see. Who is it? Jump down. Come on. Good girls. Who is it? Go find out. No jumping. No. Go find out. Is Daddy here? Go see. Go see. Yeah, we got 2 Cocker Spaniel pups back in October last year. Mental. Didn't want to leave one of them behind. Well, my daughter didn't want to leave one of them behind. Is he not here? Go find your ball. Go find it. Where is it? Go find it. Am I actually going to get this done today? Or not? You don't want that. Who's that there, look? Who's that? Hey. I'm going to go outside and play. Tilly? You want to go outside and play? Come on. Jump down, baby. Good girl. Go find your ball. Go find your ball. Where was I? Yes, so I've wanted to do this for a while. Still doing a lot of research. I listened to various people, and what they were saying was you need to concentrate on one subject matter, which is all fine and dandy, but I don't just have one subject matter that I like. My interests are wide and varied, and I don't concentrate on one. I'm not one of these fanatical people about one particular subject. I never have been. I'm very much one of these people that jumps from one thing to another. Maybe it's that I haven't found the one thing that I actually am fanatical about. So I like my furniture upcycling, I like my charity shop hauls, I like my crafting, not so much cards, but things like knitting and crocheting and sewing. We also get married in September this year, which has been on the cards for quite a long time now, and it is of a Harry Potter theme. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh my Jesus Christ, this is going to be horrendous. No, actually, it's going to be chic. It's going to be tasteful and hints of, as opposed to full blown. So I can't believe it. They're actually on the sofa laid out as going to sleep. That is heaven. You know, like when you're a parent and you have children for the first time and you just long for the times when they're asleep. In theory, you should go to sleep at the same time so that you can actually get your rest. But you never do, because you end up picking up the hoover or doing the washing up or tidying this, that and the other, or doing the laundry. It's just the way it happens. Having dogs is just like having kids. Think twice before having some. Not that I won't be without them, don't get me wrong, they make me chortle so much, it's funny. But wow, like having kids all over again. And my youngest is 21, so it was a while ago. So as far as the YouTube channel is concerned, I wanted to pass on this information. I wanted to do it with various subjects, but everybody was saying, no, you can't do that, you've got to do just one and concentrate on that one. But then I come across one guy who said, do what you want, and you'll see what people like and what people are interested in and what they're commenting on, and interacting when I can speak, interacting with, and then that will give you an idea as to what you should be concentrating on more. But do what you like. I mean, it's very personal, and I'm not wanting to apply or appeal to everybody's interest. I just want, I mean, I'm sure there are people that are of my age that like the things that I like. There has to be. And those are the people that I want to appeal to. So the channel that I will be creating in the first instance will be things that I enjoy doing. So you will see probably more things on my upcycling because I've been collecting furniture. In fact, I'm collecting so much furniture, I don't know where to put it. So I've got to process these pieces that I've already purchased so that we can get them out of the way and get a little bit more room. Otherwise, it's going to be taking up the bedrooms as well as the garages and the sheds and the summer houses. Anyway, I will be fitting this around what I do now because I got made redundant back in August of last year, which was 2018. Since then, we are now nearing the end of April 19. My fiance left his job of nearly 30 years because he couldn't stand it any longer because he was working away from home. We set up a business in October, which we weren't intending on doing. He now has his own business, which I do the books for. It has been a huge culture shock. A lot of securities have gone in the sense that the steady having been gone. We do not have things like sick pay because we're self-employed. We can take holidays when we want to, but we don't get paid for them. If anything should happen to either of us, then we are in trouble. And that was another reason why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because I wanted to be able to do the work once, as in do a video once, and it be viewed over and over again over time, and obviously there will be revenue that will be produced from that once we'd hit over 1,000 subscribers and we'd had 4,000 watch hours per year or within a 12-month period, so that we could actually monetize this channel, of which I still yet to learn, and I have looked upon YouTube to get help on that, because again it's something that I've never done before. Because both of us, my fiance and myself, are both divorced, we have had to start again from scratch, and you look at things, I think, differently once you've been down this route. But financially, you are in a different kettle of fish, where you may have had stability before than, you know, things that you built up over time and that had built for you, like the price of your property, etc. And that's another thing. I don't think properties are how they used to be. You know, the way you bought, and then when you first got married, and then you bought another property and then another property, foolishly not realising that all you're doing is locking yourself into a system that is very difficult to get out of, because you need that income to be able to provide yourself with that, you know, day-to-day cost of running your life and living. But what we are doing now is diversifying what we do in the ways that we make our income, so that then all our eggs are in one basket, so that should anything happen to Darren, because he is our main provider at this current period, you know, moment in time. I mean, I do part-time bits and bobs, but nothing of a huge scale. That will eventually assist us in being able to provide for ourselves over a longer period of time. We know that this is going to take quite a long time to do. I am prepared for that, but again, consolidation and consistency and a compound element of doing something over and over and over and over again, and just building and building and building, that it will grow exponentially and create something for us that will sustain our living. We do not live extravagantly. If we get to go on holiday once a year, then that's fortunate for us. We still have expenses that relate to previous relationships. I aren't on my own. There are lots of you guys out there, who I'm sure have gone through hell and back, have had to pull themselves through to be where you were before. But in reality, you'll never be where you were before. This takes a lot of time and effort, and we do not appreciate what we've got until we haven't got it, which I can vouch for, as for me, that, things are a lot harder now. But to be fair, I appreciate things a lot more than I used to. I don't want the things that I had before because I don't see the value in them that I thought they had previously. So, the long and the short of it is, this video channel initially will be on various things. I will put them in playlists so they're easier to watch, and you will be able to select what it is you want to view that will be of interest to you. In the future, it will all depend on what you guys want, what you want to comment on, what you want to ask about, what you want to know more about. And by all means, please comment down below and tell me the interest that you have. I mean, we might share the same interests. Also, if you want to like what I've talked about today, that would be brilliant. YouTube has various ways of realising what is good and bad about your individual channel. By liking, that would be fantastic. By sharing would be even more fantastic. But if you want to consider to subscribe and see what's on offer, then please do so. The button will be down here somewhere, along with the little bell that's beside it. If you click on that, then there will be an email that comes through to you, a notification that will let you know I have uploaded another video that you may like to view. So, here's to the new Nikki J design. Let's hope that we can build subscribers relatively quickly. Tell me whether you want anything video wise. Don't forget to tell me how long you like to view things. Everybody's different, and I know I will try as much as possible to be able to provide videos that are non-boring. We'll fast forward where possible so that you're not viewing the same thing over and over and over and literally watching paint dry. Not as nervous about doing YouTube as I once previously was. And I think the whole reason why I haven't started my YouTube channel prior to this is just the fear. One, of not being able to cope with the technical side of things. Two, not being able to cope with what people said. Now I don't absolutely give a hoot what anybody says. If you don't like it, you don't have to subscribe. If you don't want to watch, you don't have to watch. I will no doubt look back at this video and think, oh my God, this is an absolute boring video. It is horrendous. What were you thinking, Nick? But I will be obviously changing as my videos go along, because more of my personality will come out, and I'm sure and hope to God that they'll be better, and you won't leave me too early and give me a chance to be able to hopefully pass on some knowledge that I have obtained over the years. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you again. Please subscribe, please like, please share.